How to fix Instagram error problem. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps. When you open the apps on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So, all what you want to do is very simple. Scroll until you find the Instagram app. Click on it and then click on the storage. Now, all what you want to do is very simple. Click on clear cache and clear data. Go back, click on data usage right here. On this option you will find all the apps that you have in your phone. So all what you want to do is just make sure to enable all these network access options. After that, go into the Play Store and search for Instagram and update it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this short tutorial.